I'm Emma, your friendly English teacher, and today's episode is special. We're teaching idioms through storytelling.
And I'm Jake, and I'm terrified because idioms never mean what they sound like they mean.
That's true. But today, you'll see how native speakers actually use them in real conversations.
Through a story?
Through one story. Let's meet our storytellers. We have Emily and Den joining us today to perform this idiom-filled adventure.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily, and I'm obsessed with storytelling. I genuinely believe stories are the best way to learn anything, especially language. Idioms come alive when you hear them in context.
And I'm Den. Full confession, I mess up idioms all the time. Last week I told my boss, let's not beat around the horse instead of beat around the bush. She just stared at me. So today I'm redeeming myself by using 50 idioms correctly. Hopefully.
Beat around the horse.
Perfect. So Emily and Den are about to perform a story about two friends preparing for the biggest day of their lives. The story has 50 idioms woven into it naturally. Jake and I will pause every few minutes to explain them.
This is either going to be brilliant or completely chaotic.
Both. Let's start the story.
Den, where are you? The wedding starts in 4 hours.
Relax, Em. Don't get cold feet now. We've planned this for months.
Cold feet? I'm not nervous. I'm the maid of honor. You're the best man, and you're still at home.
Okay. I'll be there in a jiffy. Just let me grab the rings.
You have the rings, right? Please tell me you didn't lose them.
Of course I have them. They're safe and sound. Well, actually, I think they're in my jacket pocket. Let me double check.
Den, this is not the time to drop the ball.
Okay, let's pause. We just heard 4 idioms. Jake, did you catch them?
Cold feet?
Yes. Get cold feet means to become nervous or hesitant about something. Den thought Emily was nervous about the wedding.
But she wasn't.
Exactly. Next, in a jiffy. That means very quickly or soon.
I'll be there in a jiffy. Got it.
Then, safe and sound means secure and undamaged. And finally, drop the ball means to make a mistake or fail at something important.
So Emily's worried then we'll mess up.
Exactly. Let's continue.
Okay, don't freak out, but I can't find the rings. I had them last night.
What? Den, this is a piece of cake. You had one job.
Wait, found them. They were under my pillow. Crisis averted.
You almost gave me a heart attack. Okay, listen. We need to be on the same page. Get dressed, bring the rings, and meet me at the venue in 1 hour.
Got it. But Em, real talk, are you okay? You seem stressed.
I'm fine. I want everything to go off without a hitch.
It will. We'll break the ice with a toast, the ceremony will be beautiful, and everyone will have a blast. Trust me.
You're right. I need to take a deep breath. Okay, see you soon.
Wait, Emily said piece of cake, but she sounded stressed.
Good catch. Piece of cake means something is very easy. But Emily was being sarcastic because Den was making it hard.
Oh, sarcasm.
Yes. Then on the same page means to agree or understand each other. Go off without a hitch means to happen smoothly with no problems. And to break the ice means to make people feel comfortable at the start of an event.
Got it. Can we keep going? I'm invested now.
Yes. Story continues.
Okay, flowers are here. Check. Cake is beautiful. Check. Guests are arriving. Check. Everything is under control. I just need to...
Emily, we have a situation.
What now?
The caterer is running late. Something about traffic being bumper to bumper.
Are you kidding me? Today of all days?
I know. I know, but let's not jump the gun. Maybe they'll make it in time.
Or maybe this whole day will go down the drain. I knew I should have double-checked everything.
Hey, take it easy. Let's not cry over spilled milk. What's done is done. We'll figure it out.
You're right. Okay, let me call the caterer and see what's going on. Can you please make sure the DJ is set up?
On it. And Em, keep your chin up. This will all work out. I promise.
5 more idioms. Under control means a situation is managed and stable. Bumper to bumper means heavy traffic with cars very close together.
Like a parking lot.
Exactly. Jump the gun means to act too quickly or prematurely. Go down the drain means to be wasted or ruined. And cry over spilled milk means to worry about something that already happened and can't be changed.
So Den is telling Emily to stay positive.
Yes, and keep your chin up means to stay hopeful and positive.
This story is stressful.
It gets better. Let's continue.
Hi, yes, this is Emily. I'm calling about the catering for the Morrison wedding. What do you mean you're stuck? Okay. Just get here as soon as possible. We're counting on you.
So, what's the verdict?
They'll be here in 30 minutes, but that's cutting it close. The ceremony starts in 45 minutes.
That's cutting it close, but we can work with that. Look, the DJ is all set. The bride and groom are getting ready. Everything else is falling into place.
I hope you're right. I just don't want anything to go wrong. This is their big day.
I get it, but you know what? You've moved heaven and earth to make this perfect. You've left no stone unturned. You're doing an amazing job.
Thanks, Den. I needed to hear that. Okay, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work.
That's the spirit. Oh, and by the way, the bride's mom wants to talk to you. She's around the corner.
Okay, I'll go find her. Can you keep an eye on things here?
You got it. I'm on top of it.
Move heaven and earth? That sounds dramatic.
It is. Move heaven and earth means to do everything possible to achieve something. Leave no stone unturned means to do everything you can, exploring every option.
So Emily worked really hard.
Exactly. Roll up your sleeves means to prepare to work hard. Around the corner means very close or nearby. And on top of it means in control and managing well.
I'm learning so much.
Good. Let's keep going. We're halfway through.
Hi, Mrs. Morrison. You wanted to see me.
Oh, Emily, dear, I just wanted to say you've hit the nail on the head with everything. The decorations are perfect.
Thank you so much. That means the world to me.
And between you and me, I was worried the groom would get cold feet, but he seems over the moon.
He's definitely excited. They're perfect for each other.
Absolutely. Oh, one more thing. Could you help me find my glasses? I've been looking high and low for them.
Of course. Let me help you look. When did you last see them?
Honestly, I can't remember. My memory isn't what it used to be. I'm getting old.
Don't say that. You're still young at heart.
More idioms. Hit the nail on the head means to be exactly right about something. Over the moon means extremely happy.
The groom is super happy.
Yes! High and low means everywhere, in all directions. Young at heart means feeling youthful despite age.
These are getting easier.
Great! Let's finish the story.
Emily, caterer's here, and they brought extra appetizers as an apology.
Oh, thank goodness. That's a blessing in disguise.
Right? And get this, the DJ says he can play an extra hour for free because we're such great planners.
Wow, we really hit the jackpot today.
See? I told you everything would work out. You just needed to have a little faith.
You were right. I was so stressed, but we pulled it off.
We make a great team. Now, come on. The ceremony is about to start. We need to get in position.
Wait, do you have your speech ready?
Speech? Oh, I may have procrastinated on that.
Dan, you're supposed to give a toast.
I know. I'll wing it. I'm good at thinking on my feet.
You better be. Don't let the cat out of the bag about that embarrassing story from college, okay?
No promises, but seriously, I won't spill the beans. I'll keep it classy.
Good. Okay, the bride's walking down the aisle. Here we go.
Final idioms. A blessing in disguise means something that seemed bad but turned out good. Hit the jackpot means to have great success or luck.
They got lucky.
Yes! Wing it means to do something without preparation. Think on your feet means to react quickly in the moment. Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. And spill the beans also means to reveal a secret.
Those last two are the same?
Very similar. Let's finish the story.
Dan, this is beautiful. They look so happy.
I know. All our hard work paid off.
It really did. You know what? I'm glad we went through thick and thin together today.
Same here. We weathered the storm.
And now, time for your speech. Don't blow it.
I won't. I'm going to knock it out of the park.
Break a leg.
Now that's an idiom I understand.
That was amazing. But also, my brain hurts.
Let's recap the most useful idioms from the story. Get cold feet, become nervous. In a jiffy, very quickly. Drop the ball, make a mistake. Piece of cake, very easy. On the same page, agree or understand. Break the ice, make people comfortable. Under control, managed and stable. Cry over spilled milk, worry about the past. Keep your chin up, stay positive. Move heaven and earth, do everything possible. Hit the nail on the head, be exactly right. Over the moon, extremely happy.
Those are the ones I'll actually remember.
Perfect. The full list of all 50 is in the description below.
Can I summarize the story?
Please do.
Emily and Den were stressed. Things went wrong. They freaked out. But then everything worked out and now they're heroes.
That's actually accurate. Emily, Den, that was incredible. How do you feel after using 50 idioms?
Honestly, I feel like I could sleep like a log right now. That was exhausting, but so much fun. Storytelling really brings idioms to life.
I'm just glad I didn't bite off more than I could chew. Wait, did I use that right?
Yes! Bite off more than you can chew means to take on a task that's too difficult. But you guys nailed it.
Seriously, you made idioms feel natural instead of scary.
Thanks. And hey, if I can survive using 50 idioms in one story, anyone can learn them.
Exactly. Just remember, idioms are everywhere in English, so listen for them in real conversations.
Perfect advice. If you enjoyed learning through stories, subscribe for more fun English lessons every week.
And remember, don't get cold feet about using idioms. Just go for it.
Bye.